Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use WhatsApp Business for small businesses. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to use WhatsApp Business for small businesses, all you gotta do is simply download WhatsApp Business. So once you download WhatsApp Business, you can simply set up a detailed profile, logo, description, hours, and website. Now, you can use the tools to like quick replies, away messages, and labels for efficient customer interaction. Plus, you can even create a product catalog and share your business link on social media to connect with customers where they already are. So, by using your WhatsApp business, you can simply make your small business more interactive by automated messages, labels, share your link as a marketing and engagement, and use a separate business number to keep personal and professional chats separate and maintain data privacy by not syncing personal contacts. So, this is how you can use WhatsApp business for small businesses. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.